Deadpool is not your typical hero. He is chaotic, funny, and always ready to break the rules. Known for his sharp humor and ability to talk directly to the audience, Deadpool often finds himself in bizarre situations. In this film, Deadpool unexpectedly joins forces with Wolverine, a serious and fierce warrior whose body is indestructible thanks to his adamantium claws. Their mission is to stop a mysterious and powerful enemy who threatens the world. Together, their contrasting personalities lead to intense action, witty dialogues, and endless surprises.
The story kicks off with Deadpool living his usual chaotic life. He cracks jokes while fighting criminals and breaking the fourth wall to interact with the audience. However, things take a serious turn when a dangerous threat appears, leaving Deadpool no choice but to seek help. Wolverine, on the other hand, is living a quiet life, hoping to escape violence. But peace never lasts for Wolverine, and soon he is pulled into a fight he cannot avoid. The two heroes form an unlikely duo, blending humor and seriousness in a thrilling journey.
Deadpool and Wolverine are completely different in every way. Deadpool is loud, funny, and careless. He never takes life too seriously, even in the middle of danger. Wolverine, however, is quiet, intense, and focused. He uses his sharp claws and unmatched strength to defeat his enemies. Despite their differences, they must learn to work together. Deadpool's humor and Wolverine's seriousness create a unique dynamic that makes their journey both entertaining and unpredictable. This unusual pairing is what makes the story so engaging.
As the plot unfolds, Deadpool and Wolverine face many challenges. The enemy they are up against is not only strong, but also cunning. This villain knows how to manipulate situations to his advantage. Deadpool, with his wit and quick thinking, tries to outsmart the villain. Wolverine, on the other hand, relies on his strength, experience, and survival instincts to fight. They face battles that test their courage, friendship, and abilities. The film's intense action sequences and sharp humor keep the audience on the edge of their seats.
The chemistry between Deadpool and Wolverine is one of the highlights of the film. Deadpool's ability to make jokes in serious moments annoys Wolverine, who prefers silence and focus. Their interactions are filled with witty banter, sarcasm, and hilarious arguments. At the same time, their teamwork becomes essential as the challenges grow more difficult. Wolverine's discipline balances Deadpool's chaotic energy, and Deadpool's humor lightens Wolverine's grim nature. Together, they create an unforgettable partnership that fans will love.
In addition to action and comedy, the film also explores themes of friendship, loyalty, and bravery. Deadpool may seem like a careless clown, but deep down, he cares about people and wants to do the right thing. Wolverine, though rough on the outside, has a strong sense of honor and justice. Both characters show that being a hero isn't about being perfect. It's about fighting for what's right, no matter the cost. The film inspires viewers to embrace their unique qualities and face challenges head-on.
The villain in Deadpool and Wolverine is no ordinary enemy. He is powerful, clever, and knows how to use others' weaknesses against them. His plan threatens not only the heroes, but also the entire world. Deadpool's sharp mind and Wolverine's fierce strength are tested as they try to stop him. Their journey takes them to dangerous places where they must fight not just enemies, but also their own fears. The stakes are high and failure is not an option.
One of the standout features of Deadpool and Wolverine is its visual effects. The action scenes are intense and beautifully crafted, with each fight showcasing the hero's unique abilities. Deadpool's quick movements and unpredictable style contrast with Wolverine's brutal, precise attacks. The film uses stunning graphics to bring the battles to life. Explosions, chases, and dramatic showdowns make this film an exciting experience for action fans.
Humor plays a big role in the film, thanks to Deadpool's character. He constantly makes jokes, even in the middle of danger, which lightens the mood. Wolverine, being the opposite, rarely laughs and prefers to stay serious. This contrast creates funny and memorable moments between the two. Deadpool's ability to break the fourth wall and speak to the audience adds a unique charm. This mix of humor and action keeps the film entertaining from start to finish.
The relationship between Deadpool and Wolverine develops over the course of the film. At first, they don't trust or like each other. Deadpool's carefree nature frustrates Wolverine, while Deadpool makes fun of Wolverine's serious attitude. However, as they face battles together, they begin to respect each other's strengths. Their friendship grows through shared challenges and victories. By the end of the story, their bond becomes a key element in defeating the villain and saving the day.
Deadpool's character is unique because he isn't a traditional hero. He doesn't follow rules, and he enjoys causing trouble. Yet, despite his chaotic nature, he always tries to do what's right. Wolverine, on the other hand, has been a hero for a long time. He is experienced, strong, and disciplined. The combination of these two characters creates a fresh and exciting dynamic that stands out in superhero films. Fans enjoy seeing how their differences make them stronger together.
The film also includes emotional moments. Both Deadpool and Wolverine have faced pain and loss in their lives. Wolverine struggles with his past and his violent nature, while Deadpool hides his pain behind jokes. These moments of vulnerability make the characters more relatable and human. The story shows that even heroes have fears and weaknesses, but they choose to rise above them. This message adds depth to the film and connects with viewers on an emotional level.
The film's pacing is well balanced, with moments of intense action, humor, and reflection. It takes viewers on a thrilling journey filled with surprises and twists. Each scene builds on the last, keeping the audience engaged. Whether it's a high-energy fight, a funny exchange, or a quiet, emotional moment, the film delivers a complete experience. Fans of superhero movies will appreciate the mix of entertainment, storytelling, and character development.
The music in Deadpool and Wolverine enhances the overall experience. The soundtrack combines dramatic, action-packed scores with fun, upbeat songs that match Deadpool's personality. The music adds energy to fight scenes and emotion to quiet moments. It helps create the perfect atmosphere for each part of the story. A good soundtrack is essential to a great movie, and this film uses music to its advantage.
The performances of the actors bring the characters to life. Ryan Reynolds as Deadpool delivers his signature humor and wit, while Hugh Jackman as Wolverine brings depth and intensity to the role. Their on-screen chemistry makes the film even more enjoyable. Both actors give performances that highlight their characters' strengths and flaws, making the story feel real and engaging.
The visuals of Deadpool and Wolverine are truly impressive. From fast-paced battles to stunning locations, the film offers incredible cinematography. Each scene feels vibrant, whether it's a chaotic fight or a quiet moment of reflection. The special effects bring the action to life, making every punch, explosion, and chase visually engaging. This attention to detail ensures that fans are immersed in the story from beginning to end, enjoying a full cinematic experience that is both thrilling and satisfying.
One of the film's strongest elements is its ability to balance action, humor, and emotion. Deadpool's jokes bring lighthearted moments, while Wolverine's intensity keeps the story grounded. The emotional scenes add depth to the characters, showing their fears, pain, and struggles. At the same time, the action sequences are powerful and entertaining. This balance creates a well-rounded story that appeals to a wide audience, whether they love humor, emotional drama, or high-energy action.
Deadpool and Wolverine also explores themes of redemption and teamwork. Deadpool starts the story as someone who doesn't take anything seriously. However, as the challenges grow, he learns the importance of working with others and stepping up to fight for what matters. Wolverine, on the other hand, begins as a lone warrior who doesn't trust easily. By working together, both characters grow, showing that true strength comes not just from power, but from unity and trust.
The film's climax is a thrilling and emotional showdown. Deadpool and Wolverine face the villain in a final epic battle. Their teamwork, despite their differences, proves to be their greatest strength. The fight sequences are intense, filled with sharp action, humor, and high stakes. It's a moment where both heroes show their growth, bravery, and determination. Fans will be on the edge of their seats as they watch this unforgettable finale that ties the entire story together.
In the end, Deadpool and Wolverine is more than just an action-packed superhero film. It's a story about unlikely friendships, overcoming challenges, and discovering one's true strength. The film blends humor, intense action, and emotional moments in a way that is engaging and satisfying. With outstanding performances, stunning visuals, and a powerful message, Deadpool and Wolverine leaves a lasting impression on its audience. It reminds us that heroes come in all forms, and even chaos can lead to greatness.